How's it going, everybody? This is Daniel here at Performance Toyota, and today I'm going to be bringing you some tips and tricks on your key fob. One of the first things you'll notice on your key fob, you'll notice that there's no remote start button anywhere on this fob. To do remote start on a Toyota, you just press the lock button once, twice, and hold on the third until the lights flash and the engine turns on. And the nice thing about the smart key is that they never have to leave your pocket. To lock the doors, all you got to do is just touch these two ridges on the handle. And if you want to unlock the doors, it's as simple as just putting your hand in the handle. But if you keep holding, it'll go ahead and unlock all the doors on the vehicle. And then moving inside of the vehicle, you can never actually lock these keys in here. So let's just say we leave these right here on the seat. Go ahead and close the vehicle and push these ridges. You'll notice that the vehicle beeps, letting you know you left your keys inside. Let's say you do want to leave your keys inside. I've done this before personally. I wanted to go enjoy my time on the lake or out on the water. As you know, these key fobs are not waterproof and they are expensive to replace. If you want to leave this guy in here, just go ahead and leave it in a secure place, out of sight. You can close your door, but make sure you take out the key from the fob itself and lock the door manually. That way, the car will be locked, keys stay inside, you can go enjoy your time out on the water and not have to worry about them getting wet. And that about wraps it up for the key fob. If you guys have any questions or like to buy a Toyota, please give us a call.